My project is a Catholic almanac database website for the almanacs in the United States in the 19th century. If people are interested in studying the landscape of Catholicism in America, that is the place they can go to. And then they can use the maps, the filters, other tools and features on the website to look up for the information of Catholic institutions, Catholic people, or the relationship between Catholic institutions and people. Yes, I guess I am more interested in exploring what I can do with a huge amount of historical data and then how to display the data to the public. And that's like what I am really interested in. And I would say that the most inspiring thing that I have learned in building this database website is that I found that it is really challenging to be fully responsible for the historical data, because they are not recorded in a very standardized way, and then sometimes they could be really, really messy. So for example, to be more specific, you will hit this kind of scenario where you have to make a decision between whether you would like to accommodate for the very exceptionally recorded historical data that is like not very standardized, or like you will just lose this bit of information in the almanacs because you don't want to do a much more complicated schema to handle that situation. Yes, so for the tools that I used for this database website, for the backend, I was using Node.js and the SQL relational database. And then for the front end, I am using the Angular web framework to build the interface. Well, first of all, I would say that I learned so much about the American geography thanks to this database website, because all the churches or all the Catholic institutions are recorded by diocese. But like really, from a DH perspective, I would say that just like what I have mentioned before, I really learned a lot about how to deal with historical data and like DH type of things. And I really learned a lot about decision making, I guess, like how you name the metadata, how you would design the rhetoric of the front end. Like do you name the institutions as institutions, or do you name them as churches? Stuff like that. You have like a lot of decisions to make. Yes, for now, I am most proud of the scale of the website, because now we have like around 9,000 unique institution IDs and then around 5,000 people. And that like the ability to play with a huge amount of historical data is what I am feeling the most proud of for the database website. And then I also feel like I am being very responsible for how I display the data to the audience, and I feel very good about that part as well. So for the future of this website, I would like to think more about like UI/UX kind of stuff when I when I put this website onto a server, and then maybe add more interactivity, add more like network analysis kind of stuff for the Catholic institutions and people, stuff like that.